Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 14th, 2021, and we're going to speak on Tron and how Justin Sun, which is the founder of Tron, is expecting a crypto bull market during the months of July and August. I'm not going to go through this article. I just wanted to show you that there's still some individuals here in the cryptocurrency space that is expecting the market price to go higher for July and August, and we should be able to see that on the price chart. And if we don't see that on the price chart, then we already know who's telling the truth and who's not. Because from our perspective, the price chart is always right. The price chart is always giving us the correct depiction as to where market is going to go. So I'm going to break that down to you today from the price chart perspective as to what we're seeing. If there will be a crypto bull market in July, which we're already midway through July into August, and then tell you where we're expecting the market price in Tron to go. So if you want to join us, we're here. The doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because again, you don't want to miss out on any of our content that we are creating here in this space. We're here to give everyone in our community the opportunity to see where price is going to go, so that we can make the necessary adjustments and so that we can all eat and dominate this currency space. Join us if you want. But if you want the hype, if you want the fun, if you want the entertainment, if you want all the high-pitched voices, then we're not that channel for you. All right. So again, I will have this link to this article in the description of the video, just in case for anyone who wants to read on what he thinks. But for us, what's more important is the chart. Okay. So real quick, let me break down the last price prediction we did in Tron, which was on June 24th, 2021. You guys can see right here. Okay, this was our price prediction in the market in Tron. And let me extend it out just a little bit further. We had a couple of days to where we saw some profitability, right? The market in Tron did not come all the way up there towards 7.5 cents though. I'm not necessarily sure where I said the market TP was at, but looking at the chart, 7 cents was probably the area we said TP. Again, the video is in our Tron playlist, so you could go back and listen to what we talked about back here on June 24th, 2021 about Tron going higher and where our first area TP was at. Because more than likely, it does look like it's around a 7 cent area. And we had a couple of days to where the market edged around it. Not exactly on 7 cents, but that was an area that we both said that we can see some restriction. So we will come through and TP out the market there, some of it, and that's around 8.16% there. The rest, you guys can see, is down, right? So if we were to get out now, we'd be down 9.47. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. So now, overall, we cover the cryptocurrency space on a daily basis, and you know, Tron hasn't been an exception. You guys can see that we're still trading sideways into the market in Tron. I just got done doing a video for Bitcoin, and I told everyone on that particular video that $35,000 was important in Bitcoin as terms of restriction. And in Tron's case, it's right here, 7 cents. Okay. So just like I told everyone on Bitcoin's video, this is the same thing for Tron. 7 cents is restriction. We've seen opportunities to where the trap tried to break the price above 7 cents and we got rejected. So let me show you. Right? All of these 3-day price bars right here has been times to where the trap tried to break price above 7 cents and it was unsuccessful. That's why we're seeing this weakness continue to go through in Tron. That's why the market is in a downtrend, slight. It's not a severe downtrend, but that's why the market is going lower, is because there's no one into the market willing to purchase Tron. There's no interest here in this space. So 7 cents is going to be crucial into the market for Tron in terms of when we can change over the prediction of Tron going lower versus it going higher. 7 cents. Remember that. So let me show you all the 5-day time frame as well, because here was an opportunity for us to see the market in Tron continue to show forth strength, and following that time frame, we haven't even seen it. There's no demand here in Tron, and it might even go forward for a majority of the cryptocurrencies in the market. People are not being active in the cryptocurrency space, and when you see no activity, when people are not interested, the price will go down because there's no demand. So until we see the influx of more interest in these cryptocurrencies, it's going to be a very slow, methodical movement to the downside. This is what these 5-day price bars right here mean, because this is where the market tried to support that weakness that started in Tron all the way back in April. We try to stop that movement of going lower on these two 5-day price bars. But just to see continual movement weakness in Tron tells me that there's no interest here. No one is in the market trying to buy Tron right now. Okay. Now, let me show you this. Do you think this is the trend into the market in Tron then? Do you think this line is the ultimate goal to where the market is trying to go? Because this is the overall trend right here on the 5-day time frame. This is the trend. You all can see it. This is the market trend right now in Tron. So we got two areas. We got a nickel as our first area of support, and then the next one will be that ascending line, right? So let me show you the percentage of where we are at now in Tron to where that ascending line is, and everyone would say that the market has crashed, right? So we can still see Tron decrease in value 33-34%, and believe me, there will be titles and the crypto crash, value has been gone, 34% loss, market plummets, but it's only 34%, and we're still in an upward trend though when you look at Tron's price chart. So you're gonna see a lot of fear, a lot of FUD coming to market when that happens. But I wanted to show you that, yeah, that's the case. The market is still in an overall uptrend in Tron though. So this would be the pristine opportunity to come in and buy Tron at a cheaper price, and we're still in an uptrend though. That's where you want to be at. You're not going to let people show you that though. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna keep that line there because I like it. I want to see if the trap is actually going to bring the price there, but it's more or less going to be in a long-term play. So let me take this back over to the daily time frame in Tron. And one of the biggest problems I see, not only is it 7 cents that we can see that restriction, right? But it's also here. Okay, like a closer area of restrictions around 6.5. That market in Tron could not even break above 6.5 cents. So that would be the next area of contention. Well, that would really be the first area of contention into the market in Tron. 6.5 to 7 cents. Okay. And what I'm going to do, these are my two areas that I'm going to focus in on watching the price in Tron hit. Okay. The first one is down here. I would say 5.5 cents to a nickel is where we would come through and TP out the market initially. 5.5 cents to a nickel. Okay. Long term, all the way back down to this ascending line. Okay. Which will be around 4 cents. 4 cents is a pretty good area of support too, which will bring us to that ascending line close to it. All right. So I just wanted to come through, show you all where we're expecting the market price in Tron to go. And this is it. This is our updated price prediction. I still have that 7 cent area as restriction because we've seen on the 2-day, 3-day time frame how the market has been unable to break above that area, and we got 5 cents ultimately as the ultimate areas of support and TP. All right, so that's it. All right, so from just in perspective of seeing a crypto bull run in July and August, when you look at this from a weekly perspective, let me see this on a weekly first. I don't see it. You know, I got 4 days and 14 hours left on this 2-week time frame, and to see the market trade below that right now is harnessing and showing us that there's still some weakness involved into the market in Tron. This is the monthly time frame. What about on the 3 weeks? So yeah, I'm still seeing weakness here into the market in Tron, which I would also suspect that we're getting it across the majority of cryptocurrencies. Not everyone, not all altcoins are doing the same type of ideas, but from a general sense, when I looked at Bitcoin, looking at Tron, and looking at other altcoins, I will say that the market weakness is still dominated so far. All right, so that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll see you all on the next video.